Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create a metallic paint. So I have here the Schmincke Aqua Bronze, Silver, Rich Gold and Pale Gold. And I wanted to create from each of them watercolor paint. I created already from the silver, as you can see here. And now I would like to create some more paint from the other two. So I bought a Gum Arabic of Schmincke because I wanted to go on the safe side. I like the watercolors, they are very creamy. Also their metallic paints are very creamy. So I wanted my pens also to be like that. I have some glycerin to put a little bit to help the color to be creamy. And yeah, let's start. So we'll begin with the rich gold. We'll put some over here. I will put also some Gum Arabic. Just a few drops. And we'll mix it. It takes a while to mix it with the Gum Arabic. It's very dusty, so if you are afraid of inhaling this dust, please put a mask for safety. And as you can see, it already creates a paint. I'm thinking maybe to add the glycerin, just one drop. It's a vegetable glycerin. I think it's made maybe from soy, but I'm not sure. So you can see it's quite a paint already. So I will start to move it to the half pan. One moment, there is a cat here, Ninjiso or Putski. She's very curious about it. I want to create a palette of iridescent paints. I really love this kind of paints and I use it a lot. So I start with these metallics, but I'm going to create other paints. I will do other videos about it. So here I have the half pan with the rich gold. I maybe put too much color. So let's take a piece of paper. I will put it here. I have here a water brush. Put too much water. One moment. Put too much. Usually it creates a more better paint. One moment, I will check it. לא נינג'יסו. Okay, so let's take from here a little bit and try it again. Yeah, and this is better. I think I put maybe too little pigment. So let's maybe I'm thinking to put a little bit more in the half pan. And to bring it back. I had to test it before, put it in the half pan, but never mind. We'll put some more pigment here. Yeah, and it will be better. So I smash it with this palette tool. Let's check it now on the page. Yeah, and I think it works great now. It looks like it works great. So we'll put it again in the half pan. Maybe I will need another one. We'll see. I think it will be okay. So I scrub it a little bit to take all of it out. So here I have the gold color. Put it here. Close this bottle. And I think we'll play with it a little bit. Yeah, it's okay. It's very beautiful. So I will clean this palette and let's continue later with creating the pale gold color. So I cleaned everything and now let's create the pale gold watercolor. I think it's enough. We'll put a little bit of glycerin and a little bit of gum arabic, just very little, less than before. And let's mix it. I think I will need to put maybe more of the gum arabic. Put too little. Sorry about the noise. I want to mix it well. Not sure if to put more gum arabic or not. Let's try it. I think it's okay. Yeah. I think maybe to smash it a little bit more and to mix it better. And then we'll put it on the half pans. So as you can see, it's very simple. I've made with the silver one a combination with the other watercolors I will show you in a minute. And I'm thinking maybe to mix one of these of the golds with or Cascade Green or Terre Verte to create something that is close to the green gold of the acrylic gouache of Japanese Turner. I think it could work really great. So you can see the half pan is quite full. Let's try it again here. You can lean it on the page. It's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. On Archit is, of course, it works much better. This is a cellulose paper. It's the Arteza, which is not, on my taste, it's not the best watercolor paper. But I do most of my swatchings for the YouTube channel on this page. So it's very nice. It's very beautiful. You can so see the gold and the rich gold. So I wanted to swatch two more colors that I created with the silver. One is with Lunar Blue and with Cobalt Teal Blue, PG50, PB15 and PBK11. So this is this one. It's sparkly, but it's very subtle or delicate. I really like it. And the other one, we'll put a space to it, is with Daniel Smith Payne's Gray. It's PB29 and PBK9. So you can see it's very gentle. There will be very good this one for nightscapes. It's very nice. And the other one will be good both for nightscapes and also to create some waves in the sea and some spiritual paintings. So they are very beautiful. I will show you them after they are dried. So I wanted to show you these colors also on a black. So as you can see, they're very, very beautiful. I'll put some more of this one. Yeah, they're very, very beautiful. And I will swatch also the silver. Let's see where it is. Here. Look how beautiful it is. And the two blue ones I created. So here is one. I like it, it's so beautiful. Also, when it's dry, sometimes you can see the granulation of the lunar blue. And this is the other blue, which is great for nightscapes. Wow, it's really nice. You can see how beautiful they are on black. So let's look at them over here. So this is one blue with the Payne's gray. This is with the lunar blue and with the cobalt teal. These are the golds. And I put a little bit of silver over here, which is nice. And I wanted to swatch one more color on the white, which is a pearlescent white, which I created with a micro pearlescent pigment, which is nice. And I want to create, to mix it with other watercolors to create interesting hues. I wanted to try with it the pearlescent white of Daniel Smith to see the difference. They're very close, it's okay. Yeah, I'm happy about it. Good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you some inspiration to try to create some metallic watercolors. Put off mine. It fell down. So I clean my hands. So I hope you will create your own metallics. I really love these Schmincke metallic pigments. They're really beautiful. And yeah, I wish you happy painting. Bye.